Hey, my beauties. So I posted this in my shorts not too long ago, but this was a gray hair, I'm sorry, K-tip client. And I had to tone her hair because it came in looking a little bit yellow. And so I will put the details below this video to show what I used. And I did use 3 different tones so that she can have that dimension within the hair. And so one thing I really love about K-tips is that it is customizable for every aspect. So you can customize the color, you can customize the placement, and you can really make sure that you get it really tiny if you need it to be, or you could use the full blend if you need it, or the full K-tip if you need it. And so this was just me showing you guys the different dimension of gray, because the more I can have that dimension, it'll blend very well in her hair, because as some of you know, your natural gray has kind of just it's everywhere. So it's kind of hard to place it exactly, but the more you could blend that dimension, the better. Okay, so this is her before, but let me explain, y'all. So I started her K-tips before I did the before shot. And I am just not like these other girlies that have it all together and they have beautiful shots. I am regular. You hear me? So I forget before shots. I forget after shots. So in the middle of me doing her K-tips, I was like, oh, dang, I forgot to show what you look like before. So that's why her before shot looks a little janky. So please do not judge her too harshly. It was really my fault. I had to do some strategic pinning and pulling her hair down so you could see what the before looks like, or the before length looks like. And so, it's been fun really getting into the K-tips more. I learned them a long time ago, but I definitely upped my game. I became a student at the Luxury Hair Extension University and really upped my game with the knowledge. And it made it so much easier, just in a sense of really understanding the benefits of K-tips in a way that I did not know before. Like, for instance, I did not know that they could last in your hair up to 6 months. That was not something that I initially learned. And so being able to have them for a while and know why that's possible, because they're so lightweight and they're so customizable. So it makes it so that it's not too much hanging from your hair. And of course, you have to practice proper install, proper maintenance, proper removal. These are all things that will affect how your K-tips turn out, as far as like really being healthy for your hair. And so, as you can see, this is the blend, and it looks so good to her natural hair because the leave out is on top. So just to have that beautiful blend so that it blends with her natural gray. But also, this is one of my friends or hair friends, and she cut up so bad, y'all. Like, she was so excited about this hair. And you could see as I pull it up, it's very discreet. For me personally, I tend to use smaller K-tips around the perimeter and the back and on the sides, just so I can make sure, on top of proper placement, I can make sure that it's nice and discreet. And so she let me do whatever. So I decided to put in some waves, and this definitely made it even more apparent that she was going to be cutting up. So this install was a lot of fun. I'm definitely looking forward to growing in this K-tip world, because I really and truly feel like it is one of the safest methods, just in terms of the health of the hair, that I'm seeing when my clients come out of it. Their hair looks really gorgeous, and I'm not seeing where it looks crazy. So toodles.